When scanning, hold the pen scanner in a relaxed and natural way. Instead of being vertical, just touch the paper at an angle of about 60 to 80 degrees. When scanning, lightly press the pen tip. After the white light turns on, you can lightly drag the scanning backward, and then lift it to end the scanning. When scanning, align the alignment line of the pen tip with the middle of the word, and try not to sway or shake when dragging. If you want to scan a whole line of text, you can scan the line directly with the pen scanner. If you are scanning multiple paragraphs or a single word, stop and lift the pen scanner when the scanned text enters the viewfinder. If you are left-handed, please go to pen holding mode in the settings and switch to left-handed use. When scanning with the left hand, you should change it to advance from the beginning of the clause to the end of the sentence, instead of dragging from the end of the sentence on the right to the beginning of the sentence on the left, and try not to sway.